Hi, it's Cannababe Katie. First, I want to say thank you for taking the first step towards building a successful OnlyFans business for yourself. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create your new OnlyFans account step by step. First, use my referral link below to sign up. The approval process takes 1 to 3 days, so make sure you get this going by clicking Add Bank Info. Your account will not be approved if your bio is left blank. Add a bio immediately. It can be simple and changed later. Then go ahead and create a username. This will become your URL for people to get to your page. This is legal money, and you do have to pay taxes on it. You'll be prompted to fill out a W-9 form. Use your full name. This won't be displayed on OnlyFans. Check the sole proprietor box and fill out your social security number. Upload a picture of your ID as well as a selfie of you holding your ID. Once approved, you can add your bank information. You'll be eligible for direct deposits 1 week from your first sale. The most important things to have before you start promoting your page are at least 3 pictures or videos and a welcome message. Before people subscribe, one of the only things they can see is how many posts you have. Who would subscribe to a profile that doesn't already have content on it? Another thing they can see is your bio, so make this intriguing. This can include what kind of content subscribers can expect to see on your feed, what they can buy from you, how old you are, how often you post, and that you're excited to talk to them one-on-one. The welcome message can be added in your settings. This is an excellent opportunity to make more money right after someone subscribes. You can add a locked photo or video with a message thanking subscribers for joining you and then luring them to unlock that content. For example, mine is a $10 titty picture with a message saying, "Welcome to my OnlyFans. I hope these titties make your day."